Thank you for joining us for another video with SellEton scales. In this video, we're going to go over adjusting the zero range. This is a common thing with the indicators. Sometimes you won't be able to zero or tare. I'll give you an error like this. And there's a simple way to adjust that. So the default setting for the zero range is, I believe, only set to 2%. The overall capacity of the scale. So what we need to do is we need to change it to 100%. So you can, zero as much as you want. So in order to change that, we're going to go ahead and press hold and print together. And we're going to navigate to C20. So you can again use the arrows to navigate on the screen. The one that's highlighted is the one you can change. So we're going to slide over to this first digit and we're going to change it to 2. And then we're going to head back and change this to 0. Okay, and then you're going to press print. So right now it's only set to 2%. We're going to change this to 100% so we can get the full range of 0 on the indicator. This will allow you to zero or tare any weight that you put on the scale. So we also, one other setting we have to change is C21. So we're going to press print again. This is only set to 10%. So we're going to change this to 100. And then press print, and then we're going to hit ACCUM. So now that we've changed that, you can go ahead and press 0 and it will zero out whatever weight is on the scale, also with tare as well. So I have it set up to a simulator right now to simulate weight, so it should be able to tare anything and zero again any amount of weight that's placed on the scale. If you do have any questions, if you need any additional help, give us a call. Check out our website, SellEton Scales. If you need any of the manuals or any written instructions that are in the manual, you can find it on our website. Again, SellEtonscales.com, and head over to the resource page to find those manuals. Okay? Thank you very much.